Can't wait for this. This view, mate.
Oh no, don't film me now.
I don't want to do it because I know how good it's going to be. Oh, there it is. Look at that sun.
Peekaboo. Trust.
This is the proper. I can't believe you sat here. This is honest. You lot remember this spot. You should do. I've only been here on my own before. The weird thing is, again, I was actually talking to Marie from this exact spot, like really late at night when I was here in the summer, saying that she should come out, and now she's sat here. It's just mega. Also, I just had a look on, been answering some comments this morning. I know I've been a shit bastard at answering, sorry. Trying to catch up. I do appreciate every single comment though, but we're 10 subscribers off 4,000. How the hell did that happen? Oh, what? Yeah. Polski!
Two? Oh, for God's sake. How annoying is that?
It's annoying.
It's a little bit annoying. I really want a cup of coffee again.
The weather here is such a contrast to Chamonix. Just getting a tan almost. Only drove for an hour down the other side of the mountains. Nice little break. Starting to feel a bit, I don't know, weird staying up there. I think we stayed there too long, to be honest. Need to start moving around a bit. We need to go back to England soon anyway to drop the Talbot off because the MOT is going to run out on it. I'm going to get mine MOT'd as well. Fix the prop shaft stuff. Probably give it a service while I'm there too, and then head back out again. Yeah, I think when we come back we need to make a point to not stay in the same place, and you know, now that we're both down, well, now that Marie's down to 3 days a week working, we can start to play about a bit, you know, bugger off for 4 days every week, go see something new. It's probably getting boring for you to watch, it's getting a bit boring for us up there as well. Obviously we want to hang around because of the skiing, but we definitely need to start exploring a little bit more. Been a bit of a kick in the bollocks coming here, to be honest. We're just going to have a brew, and then I think we're going to drive back up to Valacine and go skiing again, I reckon, because we're both working tomorrow, so I want to get another day, good day skiing in. Do a bit of skiing.
Yes, we will do a bit of skiing. No snow. Where's the snow? We have to go and find it.
We'll drive back up there. I don't want to go.
I'm not saying they don't look good, it's just... Last night was good because there was a sunset.
Alright, Marie Heaton. There's just no composition there! Fine art.
Yeah, well, you know, I'm just great.
They get used to these sketch city roads if you're going to be travelling with me.
500 meters.
I like.
Your prop shaft fixed first though. That would definitely be the worst way to die.
What, getting ripped in half?
Whoa, just rolling down a mountain.
Oh, imagine going straight off that. It's not even that high, but...
Just once it goes, that's it. It won't stop. Isn't that right, Bibble? Bibble, Bibble, Bibble. Hi, Bibble.
Oh, I'm gonna go for a little ski now. Got the bits out. I'm probably not gonna film it really because I'm fed up of making ski videos now. I'll have a break. Just gonna enjoy it, so we'll catch you after. Are you alright?
Salt.
Oh yeah, I didn't film today, so I got no evidence that you went down that red.
For fuck's sake.
Oh.